While you drive, obey the speed limit. Excess speed is one of the main causes of teenage crashes. Stop speeding before it stops you. Obey all speed limits, stop signs, and traffic lights. Going too fast gives you less time to stop or react. Use your turn signals to indicate your intention to turn or to change lanes and to give the drivers behind you enough time to react before you take the action. Make sure the signal turns off after you've completed the action. Don't blast your music. You might miss hearing a siren or a horn that could warn you of possible trouble. Don't drive distracted. Keep your eyes on the road, hands on the wheel, and mind on driving. Don't adjust the radio or any device, talk or text on your cell phone, put on makeup, comb your hair, or eat while driving. Wait until you can pull over safely. Taking your focus off the road for even a few seconds could lead to a crash. Share the road with others. Watch out for motorcycles, bikes, and pedestrians. Don't leave your car in cruise control when you're driving late at night or when you're tired. If you fall asleep at the wheel, the car will crash at the speed you've set your cruise control to maintain. Stay alert. Be aware of the weather, traffic congestion, and road conditions.